AI, three simple letters that are making a significant impact in today's world. This isn't just a passing fad or a wave to ride out, it's a tidal shift, changing the landscape of industries, economies, and lives. The buzz around AI isn't just noise, it's the sound of curiosity, innovation, and a hint of uncertainty. But amidst this buzz, there's a consistent hum, the promise of opportunity. The market is brimming with AI tools, each with its unique spin on how to harness the power of artificial intelligence. They're not just for tech gurus or Silicon Valley whiz kids. These tools are accessible to everyone, from the budding entrepreneur to the seasoned business veteran. They present an exciting opportunity to not just engage with AI, but to leverage it for financial gain. So if you've been wondering how to tap into this AI goldmine, you're in the right place. First off, let's delve into how AI can revolutionize the writing process. Imagine having a sidekick that helps you generate compelling content, assists in drafting, and even gives a hand in plot development. That's what AI-powered tools can do for you. They can suggest plot twists, build characters, and generate dialogues that will leave your readers wanting more. But here's the catch. AI is not perfect. It doesn't replace the human touch that breathes life into a story. So, even though AI can generate a draft for you, human editing is still essential to ensure quality. You'll need to fine-tune the AI-generated content, enriching it with your unique style and voice. The beautiful part is that these AI tools are not exclusive to seasoned authors. They're accessible to anyone with a story to tell, making the dream of writing a book more attainable than ever. So, with the right AI tool, you could draft your next bestseller in no time. Moving on, let's explore the world of content marketing. The digital age has transformed how we create and share information. AI is now stepping up to the plate, offering powerful tools that can enhance content creation for blogs, websites, and social media. Imagine a digital assistant that can churn out blog posts, social media updates, and engaging website copy in a blink. But here's the key part. AI isn't about replacing the human touch, it's about enhancing it. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate informational content, but it's your job to add that personal touch. Sprinkle in your unique voice, your experiences, your wit, and your wisdom. After all, people connect with people, not algorithms. The beauty of AI is that it can handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience and sharing your unique perspective. So, with AI, you can keep your audience engaged with high-quality, personalized content. Now, let's dive into the creative side of AI. You might be wondering, can artificial intelligence really help me create art or compose music? The answer is a resounding yes. AI has been making waves in the creative industry, offering artists and musicians a unique set of tools that can aid them in their creative process. Imagine having an assistant that could generate a multitude of digital art designs based on your inputs, or a musical collaborator that could help you arrange and compose music. That's the power of AI. It's not about replacing human creativity, but rather enhancing it, offering you a springboard to leap from, a canvas already filled with potential. AI-powered tools like DeepArt and Deep Dream Generator can transform your photos into stunning pieces of art in the style of famous painters. On the other hand, software like Amper and AIVA can assist musicians in composing, arranging, and producing music, offering a range of genres and styles to choose from. But how do you monetize this AI-assisted creativity? Well, there are numerous platforms where you can sell your AI-generated art and music. Websites like Artfinder, Saatchi Art, and even Etsy are great places for selling digital art, while platforms like SoundCloud, Bandcamp, and Spotify can be used to distribute your AI-generated music. What's more, these platforms can help you earn a passive income. Once your art or music is uploaded and available for purchase, you could be making money while you sleep. However, it's important to remember that while AI can provide a fantastic starting point, it's your unique human touch that will truly make your creation shine. AI can generate countless art designs and musical arrangements, but it's your vision, your interpretation, your emotion that will breathe life into these creations. So, whether you're an artist or a musician, AI could be your key to unlocking new levels of creativity and income. Last but not least, let's talk about AI and website building. We live in a digital age where a website is often the first point of contact between a business and its potential customers. Creating a professional and attractive website is no longer an optional luxury, but a necessity. Now imagine if you could simplify this process using AI. AI can streamline website development, design, and optimization. It can suggest design elements based on your business type, auto-adjust the layout for different devices, and even optimize your site for search engines. Plus, it can provide insights on user behavior to help you improve the user experience. The beauty of using AI in website creation is the cost-effectiveness and time saved. Instead of spending weeks coding, designing, and testing, AI can do the heavy lifting, letting you focus on other important business areas. So with AI, you can create a stunning, optimized website in a fraction of the time. Now that we've seen how to make money with AI, let's look at why it's such a great option. Firstly, it's efficient for solo entrepreneurs. You don't need an army of staff to create, market, and sell your AI-enabled products or services. Just you, your innovative ideas, and your chosen AI tool. Secondly, it's accessible. You don't need a PhD in computer science to leverage AI. With user-friendly interfaces and comprehensive tutorials, beginners can jump right in. Thirdly, AI saves you a ton of time. It's all about automation. AI can take over repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on creative and strategic aspects of your business. Lastly, it's super affordable. Compared to traditional business expenses, AI tools are a steal. You can start a venture without having to invest a fortune. So, with AI, you can start a profitable venture without breaking the bank or spending all your time.